Hi guys, and welcome to another Divi WordPress theme tutorial. This is Jamie from System22 and webdesignandtechtips.com. Well, today, if I just refresh this page, we're going to be demonstrating this sort of random text effect. Sort of text shuffle effect. And we're using a plugin called Divi Supreme Modules for this. Divi Supreme Modules has a paid version and a pro version. This is actually part of the pro version. I'll show you what you get with the free version also. There's plenty to play with in the free version. If you're building any sort of WordPress site at all, you need to check out the Divi theme that we're using here. I've literally built hundreds of sites with it, and the features keep getting better and better, and it gets easier and easier to use. So do check it out. If you want to take it for a test run, you can do so from my affiliate link below this video. Okay, well, let's get started. I'm going to enable the visual builder. And this great feature lets us build on the front end. I'm going to just delete this section here and we'll start again. Now, if you want to install the Supreme plugin, you just go to your dashboard, go to plugins. I've already got mine installed. As you can see, I've got the pro version there. Go to add new and simply type in Divi Supreme. And there it'll pop up now. And I'll also put a link below where you can buy the pro version as well if you choose to do that. Just go ahead, like any other plugin, install it and activate it, and you'll have the free one. Now the free one's got plenty of modules. I've got one open here. Twitter embed, Facebook feed, Flipbox, gradient text, Supreme image, menu, price list, text badges, text divider. We've demonstrated a lot of these in videos, so do check them out. Supreme typing. But for mine today, like I said, I'm using the pro version. If I go in there, let's add a new section here. I'll make it a regular section. I'll make it one column, one row. And here we are. If I scroll down, here's all the modules you get with the pro version. And there's quite a few of them. And there's some great effects there. Today we're going to use the Supreme Shuffle letters. So I'm just going to click on that. As you can see, it's put something in there already. So that's the actual shuffle text. You can have something before it. Welcome to. And then you get your shuffle text there. Now, if you want this shuffle text to be on a separate line, just check the little box here and it'll put it on a separate line. Then you can add something after it. And again, if you want that on a separate line, just check the little box, separate line afterwards like that. Now, what we'll do is go to the shuffle letter options and you can choose the speed, make it quite slow or quite fast to the left. And let's make it last for 5 seconds or so. Now you can overwrite the random text with any letters you particularly want to use or characters you particularly want to use, but I'm just going to use the default ones here. They seem to work great for me. Now then, what I want to do is I'm just going to save that. I'm going to give this section a dark background. So I'm going up to the section tab here, to the cog, to the background. I'm going to give it a color, sort of fairly dark grey, something like that. Now, I don't know, you may find it hard to see that text now, but we'll change that in just a second. So I've put that background in. Let's go back to our little module here, the dark grey little box. Go to our design tab. We've got before text, shuffle text and after text. So let's say before text is this top one here. Let's turn it white so we can see it. There we go. Let's make it capitalized. Let's put it in the middle, centralize it. And I guess we'll change the size in a minute. Let's go to our shuffle text itself. We'll give that a different color. There we are. It's actually done the last one as well, but we can change that in a moment. For this one, let's make that capital 2. Let's make it extra bold. Or bold is plenty good. Well, let's make it a lot bigger. Now, as you can see, it seems to be changing all of our text. We can go back in a minute and adjust the before and afters. Make it sort of headline size. Put it in the middle. Letter spacing is fine. I'm not even going to adjust that. I might do the line height in a moment. Now the after text. Let's make that white. Let's take it down. I don't want it quite as big as that. Just take it down in color, down in size. That's fine. And let's do the same with the before text. Again, I want to take it down to about 30. Oops. There we go. Close enough. Okay, let's go to our shuffle text now. And let's just adjust that line height. Put a little bit more space between our letters there. And save what we've got. Take that padding down just a little bit there. And also on the bottom, another great feature with Divi, you can drag the padding wherever you want it to size it however you want. Okay, that's fine. Let's just save that. And exit the visual builder. And there you have it. And that's quite a little eye-catching effect right there. Obviously, you don't have to have it as a big title like that. But if you do, it's certainly going to catch people's attention. So there you have it, Divi Supreme module. Like I say, it's a free plugin. It does have a pro version. This is from the pro version. But there's plenty to play with in the free version too. So if you want to check it out, please do. And like I say, you can get the pro version from my affiliate link below this video. So I hope you've enjoyed that and found it useful. If you have, please like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you're interested in web development, take a look down below. We've got some great free web development courses, as well as some premium courses with some huge discounts for our YouTube subscribers. So do check it out. Once again, this has been Jamie from System22 and webdesignandtechtips.com. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.